Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of updating your Realtek HD audio driver. And now let's get started. Many users are looking for a direct installation method for the Realtek HD audio driver, but in reality, there is no straightforward installer for it. The primary method to ensure you have the correct audio drivers is through your system's device manager. Begin by searching for Device Manager and opening it. Once Device Manager is open, expand the section for audio inputs and outputs. Right-click on your audio device and select the option to update drivers. If updating through Device Manager does not resolve your issue, the next step involves searching for driver updates, not the driver itself, on Google. Navigate to the Realtek website. Scroll down the page until you find the download section. Click on the download button. You will likely need to accept their terms and conditions. Proceed to download the relevant file. You may be presented with a CAPTCHA. Enter the required characters, and then click Submit. Choose to save the file to your computer. Once the download is complete, you can extract the contents of the downloaded file and run the executable within. It is important to understand that these files are typically updates for existing drivers. If the Realtek audio drivers are already present on your system, these updates will apply. However, if the base drivers are not installed, these updates will not install them. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.